Looking for the best motorcycle trailer or carrier? In this video, we break down the top 5 products on Amazon that let you tow your bike with complete confidence and convenience. Let's kick off with the VEVOR 2-bike aluminum carrier. This carrier stands out for its lightweight 6063 T5 anodized aluminum construction, offering excellent durability while keeping the load manageable. With a 600-pound capacity and room for 2 bikes, it's perfect for those who need to haul both their main ride and a backup. The carrier includes a built-in ramp for easy loading, an anti-rattle stabilizer to reduce movement during travel, and 8 heavy-duty ratchet straps to secure your bikes. Users love its easy assembly and ability to handle longer road trips without compromise. If you want a balance of capacity, build quality, and user-friendliness, this one sets a high standard. Next up is the ECOTRIC 600-pound steel hitch carrier. Built from powder-coated steel, this unit is all about strength and durability. It can hold bikes up to 600 pounds and features an adjustable wheel stop, quick-release locks, and a loading ramp. This one is a solid pick for riders who prefer steel's rugged resilience over aluminum. While the ramp can feel a bit steep for some bikes, the overall build quality makes up for it. It's widely praised for its value. Many users say it performs like a higher-end carrier at a much more affordable price. If you're towing dirt bikes or cruisers and want a straightforward steel carrier, the ECOTRIC is a solid bet. In the third spot, we have the Black Widow AMC 400 aluminum carrier. This lightweight hitch-mounted option is ideal for solo riders who need an easy-to-use solution for transporting a single motorcycle up to 400 pounds. The AMC 400 is built from high-strength aluminum with a steel hitch tube for added durability. One of its major selling points is the integrated anti-rattle device, which provides a much smoother and quieter ride, even on uneven roads. It's also incredibly easy to install, with minimal tools required. Reviewers appreciate its combination of lightweight and sturdiness, making it one of the best options for weekend warriors and cross-country riders alike. Coming in fourth is the YIYIONCE 500-pound aluminum carrier. This carrier features a hybrid construction of steel and aluminum, offering the strength of steel and the corrosion resistance of aluminum. With a 500-pound capacity and a built-in ramp, this model offers a good middle ground between ultra-lightweight and heavy-duty. It's pre-drilled for easy assembly, includes anti-wobble bolts, and comes with all necessary mounting hardware. Customers say it performs exceptionally well under harsh weather conditions and holds up over time, even with frequent use. If you're looking for something that balances durability, weight, and weather resistance, the YIYIONCE carrier is worth a serious look. Rounding out our list is the WFNIHONHON 800-pound Hitch Dolly. This is not your typical carrier. Instead, it's a hitch dolly designed to manually move motorcycles in tight garages or workspaces. Built from heavy-duty steel, it supports up to 800 pounds and features a foldable design for easy storage. This dolly is perfect for riders who don't necessarily need to haul their bike long distances, but do need precise control for positioning or garage storage. Whether you're working in a tight apartment lot or managing multiple bikes in a shop, the WFNIHONHON Dolly offers unmatched mobility and strength for local maneuvering.